Stop using basic VS Code. Today I'll show you 3 extensions that will completely change your coding speed and workflow. First, go to the Extensions tab, search for ErrorLens and hit Install. Once that's installed, let's head back to our Python code. Now watch the magic. As soon as I delete the colon from line 10, boom, the entire line highlights in red and the error shows up right there. No more wasting time searching for errors in the terminal. Number 2 on our list is Better Comments. Type it in the search bar and install it. If your code comments look boring and dull, this extension will bring them to life. Let's go back to the code, and look at this. Our comments are now color-coded. Warnings are in red, questions in blue, and to-dos are orange. Reading and understanding your code just became so much easier. The last and most powerful extension is GitLens. Search for it and add it to your editor. If you work on complex projects, this is an absolute lifesaver. Now just hover over any line of code and GitLens will tell you exactly when, at what time, and who wrote this specific code. Like right here it says, you, meaning I wrote this code myself.